Our next problem is swapping marks digits. As you can see that this is the description of question. Ally scores A marks and here you can take a 2%. Ally's score is A and Bob's score is B. If both A and B are, they will give, they have given condition that A and B are 2-digit numbers and it does not contain any zeros. Okay, here this is the condition what we need to get an output. Alice wants her marks to display higher than Bob's. Here you can see that if A score is 37 and B score is 83, right? If Alice want to display her marks higher than Bob. With this operation, you can see that this is the operation can do that Alice. She can reverse her score and or Bob score. And or is very important thing. You need to make note of it. Here you can see, right, 37. Reverse of 37 is 73. After reversing A's marks also, it Alice cannot store more than Bob, 83, right? So here we can reverse 83 also, 38. So 73 is greater than 38. In this way, we can solve this problem. If it is possible for Alice to score higher than Bob's score, then we need to return yes. Otherwise, we need to return no. Here you can read and sample input so that you will get an idea, clear idea what they are asking. And then here you can see that this is my logic. Here we need to take an input. This is T test cases, number of test cases. A, B are taking marks in the form of string because we need to reverse that now. So I have directly uses this slice operation. Here you can see, right? Then if here you can see, right, for A greater than B or A1, that means reverse of that A1 is greater than B, or A1 reverse of that is greater than B1, that means reverse of B1. In this way, these are the 4 conditions we need to check. If these 4 conditions, any one of these 4 conditions is true, then we need to return yes, otherwise no. As you can see that I have submitted this problem. It has been accepted. Thank you for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.